was talking to Andrew in our group this morning, and he was talking about a very popular reselling group that everyone in our group is going to know about. I'm not going to mention the name, but it's the one, the largest one, the way most of you actually ended up getting here ultimately. They do not like one-off types of reselling. They like the real fancy retail arbitrage, and they really like Replens. And generally, they don't teach Replens well in today's world where there's so much competition for that, where you have a bunch of dollars chasing after a few pennies every time in general. And anyway, this group does not like to promote one-offs, does not like to talk about one-offs, does not like anything to do with the type of reselling that we do. And one-offs means you find an item at a local sale and you sell it. Well, what are the chances of that being a replen? Can you go to every local sale and find that one item, that same age, that same value, that same condition? No, it's a one-off. It's a one-of-a-kind thing. You might find 5 in your reselling career, but they're all going to be different conditions and all of that. It's the opposite of replens, where you just buy the same thing and sell the same thing over and over and over. And I know that replens sounds so easy, and it just sounds like, what a way to make a living. Yeah, well, it's got a lot of problems for the average reseller, and especially for the beginning reseller. And to tell people that one-offs are not the way to go, especially beginners, they are doing them a disservice. Now, it is true that if you find an item, it's a one-off the way that we do in this group, you may not find it ever again in your reselling career. So what's the point? I mean, you can't just repeat, rinse and repeat. And that's another thing they really like, to rinse and repeat. And all you do is replens and you just rinse and repeat. And, oh, the money just flows in. It's like the Brinks truck just backs up to your doorway every single morning and just unloads all that cash into your living room. It's not like that at all. One-offs, however, one-offs are pennies chasing dollars, not dollars chasing pennies. That's a big difference. I talked about RO and how the way we do it is just so critically wealth building, especially if you start taking lower offers and start making lower offers. You've got to get the sales going, because the other group would be correct. One-offs would not be the way to go if each and every one of us did not have a billion one-offs all around us everywhere we go. But we do. We always have, and we always will. Everywhere you go, there are sales, yard sales, garage sales, people wanting you to sell things for them all over the place. It will never end. We are in a consumer society, which is one of the benefits of having freedom. As long as one of the freedoms is we are a wealthy nation. That is a good thing. The reason it's called standard of living, a high standard of living, the emphasis is on the living. More people live. We don't die of dysentery, water disease, and all the things that the poor nations die of all the time. It's great to be a wealthy nation with freedom. There are one-offs and sales all around us that you can use strategies to source for pennies and make a lot of dollars. Pennies to a lot of dollars. That was why I talked about the giant ROI yesterday. That's why it's so important to start your wealth building. If you're in this group, doing what I told you, sales just tremendously increase. More importantly, your income will tremendously increase if you do what I said. And it's all because we have an unlimited supply of free items. I told you I qualified the free a little bit, but not much. We basically have unlimited. All of our one-offs, they're all free. See, that's the dirty little secret they don't tell you in that other massive group that's everything is just rosy. And by the way, they do not allow you to say anything negative in that group. If you want to warn a newcomer about something, you'll be banned. You can't do that because they don't like negativity, because I just don't know why they do that disservice to newcomers as they do, but they do. I'll tell you the way it is here. The reason one-offs are so fantastic is there's a billion of them just all around us at all times. And the price is free. It's statistically free. Yeah, you might go to an estate sale and they're overpriced. You will go to Goodwill and almost everything there will be overpriced. That's not it. Those aren't your only two options. Those are the last two options you should pick. We find mountains and mountains of inventory. As I've said before, you ask anyone in this group who's been in here a while, who's used our sourcing strategy, their problem is not finding one-offs the way that group is lying to you about doing. Our strategy, the hard part is not finding the one-offs. That's the ultra easy part, and it basically takes no money. The hard part's getting around to listing all the one-offs that we have. So what if you will never find another one-off again that you found this morning that's going to make you a lot of money? There's going to be a different one-off tomorrow. There's going to be a bunch of them right in front of you, all around us. Anytime you go to a sale, all around us. Use the sourcing I teach you in this group and how it helps tremendously your sourcing opportunities, but you will find mountains of one-offs as people in our group. If one-offs were just one-offs, see, it's not really a one-off. It's a one-of-a-kind. You might find a special camera tripod worth $99. I'm getting ready to list one myself. worth a lot of money. It was free. It's just given to me. Just free. Someone said, here, you want this? Yeah. It turned out to be a nice camera. I didn't even know camera tripods. It's only like a foot high. I didn't even know they're worth that much money. I had no idea. But it's very high quality when I guess, if you're a camera person. Now, I'll never see another one of those again. I'll never get another free one just like that ever again. But there are 50 more one-offs if I were to walk out my door and start looking for some right around me. So it doesn't matter that one-offs are just one-offs. There are millions of one-offs all around us. It's unlimited supply of almost free inventory. Replens and Retail Arbitrage, that's an unlimited supply of inventory that's quite costly, and you've got to tie up a bunch of money. And that's a valid business model. You'd better start scaling right away if you want to make some money. And you're going to have a lot of costs before you start making a profit. That's a business model. You need to know that the way we do things, don't be steered away by a lure of easy going. You don't have to look for one-of-a-kind items ever again. Why wouldn't you want to? Why wouldn't you want to get these one-offs that cost us basically nothing, that makes us a fortune? And all you've got to start doing is letting go of those offers a little bit more easily than a lot of you are doing. And you've got to get everything listed. Eh? I may harp on this for a while. I was on this yesterday. I'm on it today. I may be on it a few more days, but it is strong advice. I just had conviction 2 days ago whenever I heard someone talk about, I'm going to wait till I get a better offer in our group. And I thought, oh, I've got to fix this problem of I'm going to wait till I get a little better offer. That's a problem. Why would you? When the item's free, don't wait. You've got another one-off, might be a different kind, right around the corner to replace it with. We have unlimited replens of one-offs in our group. We have an unlimited, we do the replens model. It's the replens model of one-offs because they're always available and they're all statistically free that can make you a lot of money.